In this video, I'll guide you through the process of activating screen mirroring on your iPhone and seamlessly projecting your screen onto other devices. If you feel this guide is useful to you, make sure to subscribe to our channel and give the video a thumbs up. Screen mirroring on an iPhone allows you to display your device's screen on a larger screen like a TV or computer monitor, useful for sharing content or presentations wirelessly. So, let's dive right in. To start, locate and open the Settings app on your iPhone. Scroll down the list until you find the General option. It should be nestled right under AirDrop. Within the General settings, locate and tap on AirPlay and Handoff. Now, you'll see an option labeled Automatically AirPlay. Tap on it and choose either Ask or Automatic. This step ensures that screen mirroring is enabled on your iPhone. After configuring the settings, return to your iPhone's home screen. Swipe down from the top right corner to access the control center. Among the array of icons, look for the one depicting two rectangles. Tap on it to reveal available devices nearby. Keep in mind that for successful mirroring, your iPhone and the target device, such as an Apple TV, a smart TV, or another compatible device, must be connected to the same Wi-Fi network. Once you've ensured network compatibility, a list of available devices will populate. Simply select the desired device from the list, and voila, your iPhone's screen will now mirror the chosen device. That's all it takes to enable screen mirroring on your iPhone and seamlessly project your screen onto other devices. If you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to like, comment, and share the video. Also, I suggest you visit my website, MediaMagnetGuide.com. There, you'll discover lots of helpful tutorials and resources covering various topics.